Hey guys, it's Matt with Triaxle. We're here at Meshoppen Stone's Elk Lake Quarry in Susquehanna County, Pennsylvania. This is a massive operation, massive hole in the ground. They're crushing rock, they're taking out flagstone products. We're going to give you a quick tour and show you how it's all done. Bluestone industry is just fascinating to me, and the way they go about this and the different products that they make are really impressive. And we're going to give you guys a quick tour of how this goes down. So what was once just a farm field, you know, a massive plot of land here, they start by stripping the topsoil and stripping the overburden down. And then as they start going down in the quarry, there's different layers of stone that will produce certain products for them. Starting up top, you're gonna get into some pattern stone, or you're gonna get into some stand-up. And as you start going down, the different layers will produce the different products, like I said. Then you'll get on a bed of pattern stone where they will actually take big road saws and they will cut the specific patterns that they want in the dimensional stone, and they saw down as deep as the saw will go, 18 inches, 2 feet, and then they pop the cubes up with forklifts, skid steers, and then they turn the cubes on their sides. They let them sit in the weather for a couple days, and then they actually hand chisel the seams in the stone to get the natural cleft flagstone that you guys buy all across the country. One of the other products that they make, they're taking out what's called saw rock or heavy. The rock is so hard, it cannot be hand split in the quarry. It's very dense, very tough to work with. So they actually drill it strategically, and they'll make certain size cubes out of it. And then instead of blowing the rock up with heavier explosives, they actually use what's called primer cord. And they'll actually, you put the cord down in and it just gently pops the rock out. They take that rock and they put it on the trucks and they take it to their saw shops. They cut it up into the different products that are known as thermal. And then when they're down here, you know, taking all these products out, inevitably there's going to be a ton of waste. So then they crush and sell all the waste products. Meshoppen has 2 different crushing operations here running at the same time, making several different products. So really nothing goes to waste. So when the products leave here, they go up to their stone yard, their main yard up in Meshoppen, and they're inventoried and tagged and then distributed throughout the country when different orders come in. And we'll take you guys up there and kind of show you how that works and what inventory they have and the process of how that goes up there. How much inventory you have on site here?
A lot.
I know.
So this is a 11-foot 6 diameter blade, 11.5 foot. We can cut up to a 5-foot tall block on there.
Okay.
That saw over there is a 10-foot diameter blade, and this saw here is an 8-foot diameter blade.
So how long approximately would it take start to finish to cut these blocks up?
So these blocks we can cut through about 5 to 6 blocks a day depending on the size. Like this size here, probably 5 to 8 blocks a day due to being thinner. You get a block that's 4 to 5 foot thick, you probably only cut 3 or 4.
Sure.
So here's basically the block after some size. It's laid down 90 degrees. We thermaled that top edge, that's the edge of it. Now it's cutting it into 2-inch basically slices like a loaf of bread.
So it's just gonna be, will they be treads?
Yeah, that's a 20-inch wide block there. So ideally it'd be a 20 by 8 tread. You'll see further down the process, we'll go through and pick out the imperfections, cut them back. When they're cut, we bring them over here and this is where they thermal the face. So obviously everything comes off, done, finish on the face. So they'll go through and burn a face on there. We'll take them to the recut line to cut them to length and package them for shipment. Put it on with a vacuum lifter. The guy on that end will be marking any imperfections he sees, and then the Sawyer operator will be doing cross-cutting here, ripping it to width if we need to. But typically it's cross-cut, slid down, and packaged off to the end of the line. If we have to thermal an end or thermal 4 edges, we'll set up on the end there to do that after it's cut. And typically it's 2 foot to 8-10 foot is our stock sizes that they have flip over stops. We just slide it down, cut it, throw the remnants away, and byproducts we tumble.
Is most of the stuff coming through here custom order?
A little bit of both. I mean, we're doing a lot of stock sizes and then mixing in the special cut size orders to maximize the time through the day and production-wise.
Very neat.
Yep, that's basically start to finish.
How many acres is this location?
So just where our yard sits here, we're on about 45 acres with the whole, the shops and everything. The total parcel is probably close to 175, 180.
But you're using 45 acres for the operation.
Yep. We have some other products like Indian limestone, some beach pebbles, different flagstones that we'll bring in from different areas of the country just to give our customers some different options to help fill a load or just have other options in our product line. But typically, yeah, we'll deliver a load of stone, look for a backhaul or another product that we need to put in inventory.
Once the process is all complete, the stone is palletized, put on trucks, and shipped all over the country where it lands at landscape supply yards just like this one. Go ahead and check them out at meshoppenstone.com.